how many people's lives we impact. So yeah, I'd say like probably like just the wide impacts, and then
Wide
also just
impact.
like keeping myself like mentally stimulated, and then I get paid and I get good benefits. That's also nice.
I agree. Let's get this bacon out of here, dude. Let's cover that up.
Nishan likes to read about troubled people.
Oh, but yeah, basically. Basically.
Wide impact and wide respect. True
impact.
Wide true
One of the
impact.
things that like self-actualizes me the most in general is just like seeing and making other people happy. So like that part of the job is like very, very fulfilling to me, but I do that like outside of my job too. So this is like a way to do that professionally.
Yo, Nishan,
Hell yeah,
give
dude.
me 3 solid reasons why I should follow your channel.
Dude,
No.
Yeah, he doesn't listen, dude. Just look at his cutting board, listen to his voice, and check out his calves, dude. Those are the three reasons right there, dude.
I don't know.
But honestly, you should have been able to come to that conclusion yourself, dude.
Yep. Well, if you want to.
He got
Wait, is this-
Here to Twitch channel.
I can't tell if my sauce is like looking right.
Over here.
Oh.
in following for the car.
Is this like...
Kitty 3 cutting board for you.
Kitty 3?
Human who
True kebabs. So is this sauce literally just the oil, the paprika, and the salt?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay. Is it meant...
It seems like the paprika is like settling at the bottom. Is that a problem?
No. So basically, like what we're just trying to do, like originally we're just trying to infuse the oil. Thanks for the follow.
Okay.
What?
Should I bring you?
What we making?
We're making it's like a Korean chicken bowl. Dude, what is? Oh fuck, dude! I have taffy on my apron. Shit's dude, this shit is sticky as hell, dude.
Your sleep paralysis demon is going to be taffy.
Nishan is an alpha. I bet he has a massive cocktail recipe list.
Yeah, totally.
True, dude.
Are the Sour Patches part of the recipe?
Oh yeah, so the sour patches. So I couldn't find that sodium
Sodium citrate.
sodium citrate. Is that what it's called? I was gonna use the sour patch dust. You think that'll work?
Well, that's citric acid, so it's not the same thing. But you could try. You could try. You could also use
Okay,
lemon
I
juice
thought
if
it
you
was.
wanted.
I don't think I have any lemons.
I got peas, though.
Yeah, Peeps is the same. Peeps is the same.
I mean, it's yellow. It's probably like pretty close, right?
Yeah, right. It's got to feel like I gotta like reclaim some bandwidth or something.
I kind of want to taste this sauce.
It's gonna taste it's just gonna be oil. This is gonna taste like oil. It's like original. What we're trying to do is like infuse the oil with gochugaru, or like chili powder.
Camille.
And so like, and then that's gonna like.
Oh, so
permeate
this is
the
where
rest of
you, yeah. So you added the powder that I couldn't find for this,
exactly.
basically. Okay. Does the kid's knife have taffy on it too, Camille? No, I actually washed that off. I did wash it off the kid's knife.
But I mean, there is some taffy.
I
in the
have a
oil.
jar of Sour Patch powder. It's amazing. It's called sour sugar. Kids love.
Actually, crypto? What the hell, dude? All right, so what's next after this?
Please follow our guest and
All right, so
feel free to
next,
ask any
I'm working on the
questions
4
about
chili
mental
hot
health
sauce.
to get answers
So I'm
from
just going
Nishan.
ahead and assembling all
Why
the ingredients
true?
in there in a blender.
Cat jam.
Oh, we're blending it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's wash off these.
So you're probably gonna want to take that off to heat